everyone, welcome back at Beamers.Genius. Today I'm going to show you something more exciting, fun and thrilling. So I hope you will like it. So let's have a look.
The highly versatile Mini Countryman is more comfortable than ever and designed to handle everything your journey throws at you. So just don't go anywhere, go everywhere. By blending distinctive, rugged good looks and masculine proportions with an adventurous spirit, Mini have created an all-rounder whose natural habitat is both the contemporary city streets and country roads. Mini Countryman's magnificent stance is embellished further by its new hound front grille and bumper design. Furnished with a bold, striking housing trim, the grille is available in chrome and the new optional piano black. The Mini Countryman is fitted with 19 inches Your British Spoke run flat tires. These inventive LED headlights add a distinguished new design and safety to your Mini with brilliant results. They provide optimal light in dimly lit conditions and sideways illumination when you turn corners. Mini side scuttles with the traditional design serve as a striking design highlight and give the vehicle that extra dose of individuality. They are optimally suited for the Mini side panels, perfectly complementing its powerful dynamic look. The new Mini Countryman combines distinctive Mini attitude with the go-getting charisma of an SUV, with its proportion and intrepid, adventurous spirit and its real all-rounder. Up to 1390 litre of boot space won't allow you to compromise. You can take everything you need along with you. The new Mini Countryman is an intrepid adventurer, equipped with a go-anywhere confidence. Your hands are full, but you need to open the boot, just use your feet. The Mini Countryman gives you ample space for 5 people, luggage and all those memories you will pick as you go. It's just perfect for an active lifestyle with your friends and family. So, what are you going to pack into your weekend? The new Mini Countryman is packed with clever details that make your drive more fun than ever. When you go for a Mini, you go for a choice. Come inside, take a look around and feel inspired. The electrically adjustable seats can be individually modified and offer comfortable lumbar support to ensure outstanding seating comfort. So your arrive feeling is relaxed and refreshed. With wireless charging, Mini navigation system, head-up display, Harman Kardon surround sound system, Apple CarPlay and Mini connected services, your drive is more fun and relaxed. Rear variable seats, the generous boot space give you ample space for your plans. And when the rear seats are folded into the 40-20-40 configuration, the new Mini Countryman can accommodate cargos that long, tall, wide or bulky. Entertain in style on the comfortable picnic bench for 2. This soft 2-seater bench comes with a fender dirt protection flap, so you keep clean as you sit back and take a break from roaming the countryside. A unique combination of innovative engineering, premium materials and intelligent lightweight design ensures that Mini's 3-cylinder and 4-cylinder twin-power turbo engines deliver a smooth yet powerful performance and torque. The 4-cylinder 1998cc with 192 horsepower engine performs 0 to 100 in just 7.5 seconds. So, are you ready for the fun? So guys, this is it for the Mini Countryman. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Have a nice day.